Welcome to CEDINOR. We specialized in the manufacturing of metal parts through cutting-edge technology. CEDINOR was founded in 1994 as a manufacturer of industrial and commercial heating, air conditioning, and ventilation sheet metal ducts. Since 1994, we have grown and evolved with the preference of our clients. Now, CEDINOR is the leader in metal spinning process in Mexico. CEDINOR is synonymous with quality. We are certified in IATF 16949, an automotive certification that ensures our commitment to the highest quality standards. We offer a wide range of services from CNC and manual metal spinning, laser cutting, automatic TIG and MIG welding, stamping, and more. We serve the various industries, including automotive, high-tension energy, foundry, lighting, and ventilation. We specialize in metal spinning, which allows us to produce deeply drawn metallic round parts in different materials with maximum thicknesses of 0.28 inches in aluminum, 0.2 inches in steel, and 0.12 inches in stainless steel, and a maximum target diameter of 59 inches in our CNC equipment. The advantages of metal spinning are significant, from its low tooling cost to its ability to produce complex round parts and improve the material metallurgically. We operate high-tech MOSIC CNC machinery, allowing us to work on parts up to 16 inches in diameter and 21.44 inches in length with precision and speed. This technology ensures consistent results and adapts to the customer's requirements. We have CNC laser cutting equipment with 6,000 watts, allowing us to achieve precise cuts in materials of various dimensions. Several beading and trimming machine allows us to achieve different shapes and diameter that in some cases is faster than metal spinning, providing versatility to our clients. Welding is another of our strengths, with automatic seam welding machine TIG and manual MIG and TIG equipment specialized in aluminum and stainless steel welding. We also have electric arc spot welding. Our mechanical presses for stamping range from 15 tons to 200 tons, and we perform other processes such as uncoiler and cut-to-length CNC cutting equipment for bars and tubes, bending and rolling, as well as the manufacturing of industrial and commercial ducts. Our logistics department is responsible for shipping your products to Laredo, Texas, just 2.5 hours away. Additionally, we handle virtual customs declarations to streamline exports. Our quality laboratory is equipped with the best tools that allow us to measure all the specifications required by our customers. We have 3D scanners, CMM coordinate measuring machine, calipers, thickness gauges, hardness meters, among others. At CEDINOR, quality is recognized. We have received several awards, including the Zero Defect Award, and have been named Manufactured Components Supplier Partner by REAM. We are located in the state of Nuevo Leon, specifically in the municipality of Santa Catarina, just 2.5 hours from the border with Laredo, Texas. At CEDINOR, we are committed to providing you with quality services in metal spinning, laser cutting, seam welding, CNC tube and bar cutting, CNC machining, stamping, and much more. Our staff is focused on customer satisfaction, striving to deliver on time and with zero defects. Get in touch with us and send us your requirements. We are here to serve you. We are your reliable partner.